Hey guys, thank you so much for clicking on my video. I'm super excited to be filming today. Sorry I didn't upload a video last week. I've been sick. This week I feel so much better. I think I had like a respiratory something. I still feel a little congested here and there, but for the most part I feel a whole lot better. I did have like a really bad cough, sounded like The Exorcist for a bit, so I decided not to film. But today we're back, and I'm wanting to do a Boxycharm unboxing. I'm super excited to do this because that means that I get to do it every single month now. But yeah, in case you guys were wondering, also I did have questions on my last video. This lip is going to be the Anastasia one in Starfish liquid lipstick. That's what I'm wearing today. But yeah, I'm super excited, guys. Like I said, sorry for not filming last week, but I am back with this video, and this is going to be the Boxycharm unboxing. So I'm super excited about that. So let's get started. Okay, when you open this box, it looks like this, and on top it's the Totally Boxycharm month. So that's what it looks like. This is the card. It's the informational card, and it gives you like the prices of everything on the back and a little bit of information. When you open it, this is what you get. It looks just like this, and there's another one down here. It's like a little liner. I don't know if you can see it, but that's what it looks like. It's super pink this month. I'm really excited about that. I love pink. So first thing I want to look at, let's do this pencil. Let me take off the plastic. This is going to be the Steve Laurent. Looks like this, and this is going to be in the color Chic. Can you see that? Chic. Let's do a little swatch actually. So this is gonna be, it's like a rusty nude. I don't know. That's what it looks like. Can you see that? And so for this pencil, it's a lip liner. It says reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof. Oh, it's waterproof. So no transferring or bleeding all day long. Lasts up to 7 hours. Sounds good. This is $15, and like I said, this box is like $21 per month, so that's really good because it's like you're getting this plus, you know, a couple dollars more, and you get everything else for free. It's good deal. Next thing in here I see is this Becca Hydra-Mist Set and Refresh Powder. This is what it looks like here. Sorry, I just blocked my face. Yeah, that's so good. Let's open it. Come on. So this is the Becca one, and this is what the front looks like. Oh, that's so shiny. I apologize. It's Becca. It's like a mirror. I think it's like a translucent powder. Oh, I like that it has this little cover on it, but it's like a transparent powder. For the powder, it says Becca Hydra-Mist and Refresh Powder. This weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth and visible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. $39. That's how much this one is. $39 for this. Next thing in here is going to be this Big Ego Tarte mascara. Look how big this is. It's a huge size. Like, it's really big. And here it's cruelty free and vegan, so I really like that. And you can see the brush there. Let me actually open this. This comes in the color black. Ooh, I love this. I'm such a sucker for packaging. Like, I probably don't even need one like this, but like if I saw this in the store, I'd be like, ooh, I want that. Like, just because of the packaging. Like, look at my nails, are also neon, so love it. Like, literally, this is me right here. Like, but look at this brush. Ooh, that's a really nice brush. Can you guys see that? Let me show it here. Ooh, pretty. It's thick brush. That's a thick brush. I really like that though. Super pretty. And then the next thing in here is going to be this Wander Beauty Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. And this one says Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps to restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. So it retails for $42. Dang, so this is $42. I don't know if you can see this. Can you see that? Can you see it? Can you see it? Okay. What the? Okay, anyways, this is what it looks like. And we can use this little dropper. Can you see? Ooh, you know what this reminds me of? This looks exactly like the Farsali unicorn drops. They come in like the purple bottle. Can you see that? It's like a shimmery pink. It smells good too though, and it absorbs super quick. Like, that absorbed really quick. Oh, I forgot to give you the information for this big lash. So for the Tarte Big Eagle Mascara, it says an ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. And this retails for $23. Sorry, I forgot to mention that before. That's really good. $23 for this. It's really good. The last things in here, they actually caught my eye right away, but I wanted to save them for last. And it is these right here. These are by Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadows, and these are super cute. Let me take off the top so that way you guys can see them. Ooh, definitely will be using these. Look at how pretty these are. They have like glimmers to them, so I wanted to kind of tilt them. So this one here is going to be Iced Latte, and we can swatch this, and it's going to look like that. Ooh, nice. And this is like a copper with a little bit of a silver tint to it. That's really pretty. The next one is going to be Cotton Candy, which is this one here. It has like a reflect gold to it, and that is gonna look like, ooh, that's super pretty. It has both of those have reflex to them. So the top one, Iced Latte, has a reflex with like a silver. The bottom one has like a reflex gold. Super pretty colors. For those ones, it says Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo, high pigmented soft shadows with a creamy texture specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. And it retails for $25. Is that $25 for the duo or $25 each? This is duo and this is $25, so I'm guessing both of them is $25. I don't know, but that is super cute. I really like everything in this box this month. I'm so excited to try everything out. Yeah, let me put everything back so you can see exactly what it looks like. Dun, dun, dun. Let me see, fit everything back in here. So if you look at it, this is what you get in the box. It looks like this. And there's a little liner down there. You get so many products, like literally so many products for the price. It's totally worth it, guys. If you guys have not yet subscribed to Boxycharm, don't even think twice about it, you guys. Like, definitely go and subscribe to them. I love every single box that I get every month. I used to be subscribed to the Sephora Play, and not to bash them or anything like that, but I just was getting smaller samples, and I saw my friends getting the Boxycharm, and I was like, dude, like, that's a full size, you know? So I was like, let me try it out, let me see if I like it. So I've been doing it for a few months now, and I really love everything that I've gotten so far. I've gotten a few months actually. I just wanted to try it out before I came on here and was like, I love this, you know what I mean? So I did subscribe to this a few months ago, like I said, and it's like $21 a month, so it's so inexpensive, and you get so many products for the $21. If you go back and you look at the prices, the Tarte mascara itself is $23, plus you get everything else in here, which is so like cheap for everything. All these products, full size shadows, full size oil, mascara, full size like powder, a lip liner, like everything is full size. You really can't go wrong with this, you guys. So if you haven't subscribed already, like I said, get your hands on one, you guys. Try it out. You don't have to keep it forever if you don't want it, but definitely try it out, you guys. It's an amazing subscription. You get full size products, like I said. But yeah, so I'm really happy you guys clicked on my video. Thank you so much for watching, and like I said, sorry for not posting last week. I will try to post another video this weekend, coming up weekend. This video will go up today. I try not to edit my videos because I don't really have editing material and I'm not so good at that. So basically it's one full video. What you see is what you get, and that's what's gonna go up. So but yeah, guys, so thank you so much, like I said, for clicking on my video today, and I hope to see you guys soon. And yeah, if you have any questions, any comments, I'm totally open to any suggestions. Just leave them down below. I see all of your guys' wonderful comments, and I totally appreciate them on my videos. And yeah, so thank you guys again. I hope to see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.